Flooding is a temporary overflow of water onto land that is normally dry. Unlike previous years, the rain poured so much in the Klang Valley, which was known for its incidents of flash floods. Hulu Langat flash flood that occurs when excessive rainfall over an extended period of time causes river to surpass their capacity and trigger by irrigation overflowing. It is an area that prone to flooding when it rains a lot. With floods, a natural process that happens when the river bursts the banks and the water spills over to the floodplains. Overdevelopment may also worsen the damage from floods, pointing out that the floodwater will rise faster as there will be more runoff or draining of rain, which could usually drain through to the soil or be absorbed by the trees against concrete into the river.
Hello everyone, my name is Liu Yichen. Matric number is 208778. Next, I want to talk about why is that community vulnerable. I think there are several reasons. First, construction of number 1 is the Belang Valley Expressway. Because the construction of this highway project has crossed a bank of the village near here, causing water to overflow. Second, the surrounding mountains terrain. Because of the rising water in the surrounding mountains, a little makes a micule, and the water will flow down from the top of the mountain, causing a serious flood. That is my part. I will pass to next one.
Hello everyone, I'm Aina. So now let's discuss about the forecasted impacts on the community. As we all know, every flash flood that occurs in every place will face the impacts. In terms of economic, during the floods, roads, bridges, farms, houses and automobiles will be destroyed and the people will become homeless. The environment also suffers when floods happen. Chemicals and other hazardous substances end up in the water and eventually contaminate the water bodies that floods ends up in. And at once, the health of the people also affected. Lastly, many people are killed in flash floods. They are also injured and homeless. The water supply and electricity are disrupted and people will struggle and suffer. The people also will experience a range of emotions like anxiety, fear, anger, frustration, and sadness. It is normal for them to experience traumatic events such as floods, to experience difficulty of sleep, loss of appetite, and also angry moods. That's all from me, so now I will pass to Akma to talk about the solutions to the threat.
Now that we're clear about the threat, let's see some of the solution methods which can be implemented in Hulu Langat. Note that we should be prepared for realistic, long-term solutions to mitigate the problem, especially when we are the responsible for causing them through our irresponsible acts. First, improving our flood monitoring system. Monitoring areas should be expanded. Forecasting capabilities from monitoring agencies such as Met Malaysia should be improved, with 4IR technologies crunching big data from multiple sources. Second, hollow pipes, where a horizontal piping system is planted in the ground. It runs into a collection tank where rainwater can slowly seep into the soil. Third, excess flood water must be stored upstream in the storage ponds or channel downstream through a flood diversion channel or tunnel. This is being implemented in Kuala Lumpur, where the stormwater management and road tunnel SMART project has become a viable and innovative solution. It is by diverting large volumes of floodwater from entering the city centre. Lastly, in Bangkok, Thailand, LiDAR mapping is being utilized to develop elevation plots and models to understand where resources need to be focused for flood prevention. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, allows the creation of 3D elevation map, allowing engineers to develop highly accurate elevation models. It can scan the city's drainage network for obstacles that could prevent water flow, say a tree stuck in a drain or trash buildup in a pipe outlet. In conclusion, we need to be more focused on dealing with flash floods by improving our pragmatic approach to cope with current urban development.